Okay, I'm gonna make a non-dairy chocolate, keto-friendly pie. Okay, no dairy. All right, this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a shell. This is pecan. Now they make walnut. They have a walnut too. This is all these ingredients come from Walmart. Okay. You need a shell to put the pie, and then it has a plastic cover to cover it. Because if you don't stick it in the refrigerator, it'll dry out without that. Then you're gonna need. Remember I said it's non-dairy. You can buy one of these. This is from Walmart. This is ordered online. So just get you one of those. Stick it in a little bowl like this and mix it up. Now this is half. Okay. So that's to make the pie you need half a can. Okay. Then you need your sweetener. I'm using stevia. I like stevia. You can use any of the other ones that you prefer. Anyway, half a cup of that. And I actually measured my water out this time. I made before, I never measure out the water. Okay, this is 1 3/4 cups of cold water. You can see it frosting in my glass. 1 3/4 cup of cold water. Before I just said put 3/4 of the bottle in there. And so anyway, so what I do, first thing I do is get a bowl. Okay, we need a mixer and mix it up. Okay, and then all we're gonna do, take these, use two of the, I'm having a light problem there, two of the family types. Okay. Somewhere. All right. This is going to be a chocolate pie. All right, 2 of the family packs, or 4 of the little smaller 1 ounce packs. Okay, so we're going to do 2 chocolate packs. Smelling good. All right. I like to take these packs and put them on the counter. And after I blend, I set it on there so I don't get it all over the counter. It gets on the counter anyway, but it doesn't make any difference. Half a cup of your sweetener. Okay. Now, this is half a can. Okay. This is half a can of your coconut. All right. I've already used half a can on another pie. Okay. I'm worried about getting stuff on the counter. I'm getting it all over the counter. That's normally how it works. Anyway. Stuff is pretty thick. See that? This is replacing your milk. Like I said, non-dairy. Oh, dairy is not really good for you. It's not good for me anyway. All right. Like I said, I've used the other half of the can to make a pie that's been eaten. Okay. It's thick, it's everywhere. It sticks to everything, I should say. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to mix it up. Alright, now we still have our water to put in. Okay. Remember, it was 1 3/4 cup of cold water. Excuse my hand. It was. Well, you're not gonna eat the pie. I will. All right. Now I'll put a little water. I add the water slowly, really. Put about half of the water. Okay. Now I'll put my mixer on low. Okay. Put it on, I think, stir. If you put too much water, now the Jello will gel. Okay. The Jello will gel, but if you put too much water, you won't be able to cut it's not firm enough for a pie. You can still eat it, and it's still going to be good, but it just won't be firm. When you cut the piece of pie, it'll just go all over the place. Okay. Put the rest of the water. I like to use a spoon to scrape it off the side. Put it into the blender. Alright. I guess if I had a bowl that was made for blending, I probably wouldn't have to do this thing with the spoon. Just a regular bowl. See why I use a large bowl, so big it is. It's fluffing up. Like I say, it's going to gel. Put it in the refrigerator, and I'd say put it in the refrigerator about an hour. After that, it'll be ready. Now, I'll eat on this pie for just me and the wife, so we'll eat this pie for easily 2 or 3 days. There's a plastic coating in here. Alright, now what we're going to do, take this little piece off, put our ingredients in, put it in the refrigerator, and we're done. The pie's gonna be made. Quick and easy. It's not hard. I come up with the idea of how to do this. Not make a pie, that is. The ingredients, and I also came up with the other recipes I've seen, they don't call for any kind of sweetener, no stevia, nothing. I like it a little sweeter. Okay. And they use milk. And like I said, I use this half a can of that for my milk. I think we're pretty well good here. Alright. Now pull these off. When I was a kid, we would lick these. Mama would always, we'd fight to see who got to lick them. And then, of course, there's 2 of them. And back in those days, the pie mix, we didn't worry about eggs, salmonella, or any of that kind of stuff. It was raw eggs in this stuff, and we ate it. And we're just going to put this in here. You know, it would have helped if I turned another light on. That's okay, you get the idea. You know what we're doing. Now, I'm gonna look these, the bowl and this. That's gonna be my little treat in a minute. Alright. And then we're just gonna push the pie down in there. It's sticking up a ways over it. I don't know if you can tell by the film. By the camera, I'm sorry. Not film. Okay. You just simply just push it down. My granddaughter likes to help me make pie. Oh, she loves to do this. And of course I compliment her on how good the pie is she made, and that she made it. And you know how kids are, they really love that kind of stuff. And of course, she can't do any wrong with Papa. Girl can't do wrong. Alright. Everything she does is good. That's what it's all about as grandchildren. Anyway. I don't know if this will do anything. I don't know what that was. Oh, that's come off the side. Oh, that's some of the crust. Okay. Then you just take the. Some of them the label peels right off. Some of them they don't. Let's see if the label stays on. Or will it peel off? It might peel off. Let's see if I can grip it. Doesn't make any difference. I mean, I'm still gonna go in the refrigerator. Maybe less people will eat a piece of pie if they can't see, you know. Yeah, there we go. Get rid of the label. Like I said, it doesn't really make that much difference. Okay. Put it in there. I like to bend up about 4, 6, whatever, 8. Nope. I'm working around this tripod. Okay. Now that's a chocolate pie. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take that and we're going to go in the refrigerator, and in about an hour it'll be ready to go, or less. But I'm not going to eat none now, I'm going to eat some later. So that's how we do it here. Make a chocolate, non-dairy pie. And if you'll see the other video, you can make pistachio. Now, all this is sugar-free now, or zero sugar. Banana cream, I've eaten all these. They're all good. Cheesecake. Okay. What else I had? Oh, white chocolate somewhere. Where's my white chocolate? Ah, well. White chocolate. Your Walmart might carry different brands, different types. We have 2 super Walmarts in this town, one on each side of town, and one of them carries more than the other one. So it just depends on the Walmart and what you're going to get. There we are. Chocolate pie. Non-dairy, keto friendly.